Hello, are you ready to see what I do for my skincare before I do my makeup? Alright, let's start. Okay, so for me, I totally agree that less is more. I think I apply in many ways this rule in my life, but right now we're just gonna focus on the skincare. This is just a reminder that the main focus or the skincare we're gonna do is for oily skin. Why? Because I do have oily skin. The first thing I like to do, and I thoroughly recommend you, is clean your face. I really suggest you is go gentle, very gentle. The face skin is very sensible, so gentle, like a baby. You are a baby. I found this reel which is show you that instead of doing this, do this way. Some way my under eye and my concealer feels better since I started doing this. So just try if you see any difference. And I like to press. And meanwhile is getting dry or absorb because it's a little bit wet. What I like to do is Vaseline on my lips meanwhile. I'm looking for a lip trimmer, so if you know any, please share with me. The next thing I do is to use my moisturizer. This one I like it so much because it's a moisturizer but it also is a sunscreen at the same time, so 2-in-1. However, the trick is that you must wait around between 5 to 10 minutes. This is a game changer for me because I didn't use sunscreen because after I finished my foundation it was horrible. Like it was already leaving some things over here and over here. No, it was bad, so I stopped using sunscreen. Nicola Rose recommended this one and I was like, let's try it, and I love it. She definitely suggests what I just told you, like just wait 15 minutes, you can read, you can clean, you can eat. Well, I don't know, but there's something meanwhile, and this is another thing I didn't like about sunscreen. I don't know if you put your sunscreen before and then you add the foundation and then you feel like your skin itchy or like I don't want to say painful, but like irritation. That's the word, irritation. If you also felt that, probably you just need to wait between 5 to 15 minutes before you apply your foundation. So I would be right back. Alright, I'm back, and basically that's my skin routine. Less is more. I clean myself, I put Vaseline on my lips and the moisturizer, which already has the sunscreen, and that's it. Something that I learned in the school is that you want to add the eye cream. However, unfortunately, I haven't found a good eye cream, so that's why I'm not gonna tell you. But if you do a good eye cream, I definitely suggest you to put on. Please help me out to leave in the comments a good eye cream and I will let you know if I try it. So that's it.